We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Korean dish, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced food names from around the world as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is a savory and slightly sweet dish of stir-fried glass noodles and vegetables. How do you say it? In Korean, it is said something along the lines of Japchae, Japchae. It is fine in English then to say it as Japchae, 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 from Korean, Japchae. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names, food names from South Korea and beyond, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.